Cheng Optical was founded in 2001 in Shenzhen, China. Our company is a leading provider of sun lens and sport eyewear solutions in eyewear industry. We specialize in developing sunglasses lens and performance eyewear that cater to the needs of our global clientele. With a dedicated team of talented professionals, we strive to deliver outstanding service and quality. Our commitment to quality, innovation, and corporation social responsibility has earned us a reputation for excellence in the eyewear world. With most advanced technologies and scientific utilization, XC can provide various lenses combination enable you to perform well in various external environments you may encounter. From raw material to injection, lens casting, lens tinting, hard coating, vacuum coating, CNC lens cutting and laser, and frame assembly, all these process we are doing in-house, making sure we can check the lens in every step so to provide the superior product to client and consumer. CR39 and CR39 Polarized Workshop. This casting workshop not only produced the sun lenses, but we also provide the CR39 blue block lens and CR39 reading lens if you have specific demands. Working with world-leading material supplier Eastman, Evonik, Arkema, LG under the ISCC system, we are able to provide the recycled titanium, renew lens, bio-based PC and nylon lens, without sacrificing the quality you and your customers have come to expect. Do one thing at a time, and do well. We specialize in the innovation and development of production technology and are committed to producing lenses of the highest quality. With over 20 years of experience in lens production, our lenses are at the forefront of the industry in terms of craftsmanship and quality. In every process, we strictly control every detail to ensure that each lens meets the highest standards of precision and optical performance. In order to meet the diversified needs of the market, we use our professionalism and enthusiasm to continuously carry out technological research and product innovation, continuously develop new products and colors, serve every customer with heart and soul, lead the fashion trend of lenses, and bring more choices and better visual experience to consumers. We know the importance of quality. We have advanced testing equipment, quality assurance system, and scientific quality control system. The products have passed the European, American, and Australian 3 standard test. Except for the exceptional service and product quality, we focus on the duty of corporate social responsibility, so we keep investing the facilities and raw material to reduce the negative effect to our worker and environment. XNC Factory keep investing on the environmental protection facilities, include zero sewage discharge system, waste gas treatment system, solar photovoltaic power generation system. Through these actions, we want our client can be easier to pass the sustainability story to consumer as well.